Welcome back everyone, it's Louis Crypto here with another Bitcoin update, and it is a bit of a weird one the past couple of days because it's had its opportunities to go up, it hasn't taken it, it's had its opportunities to go down, it hasn't taken it, and we're just consistently ranging between these two key points. And if you remember from last week, we actually drew out two potential paths, which was lose this final wick over here and the 55, and we have a bearish case back down to the 1 fib level and this previous support over here to the left, which gave us this reclaim in the first place. That's why I believe that we're just coming down, holding it as support, and then of course if we do break to the upside, which is the resistance being the 618 and slightly above of this inverse head and shoulders neckline, once we break that resistance, we're validating a bullish path. So equally we're prepared for both and we're just taking which one's given, but at the moment it's not showing us really which one it wants to take. When we zoom down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see this pattern a lot clearer. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and this entire structure over here is your right shoulder. And when we zoom into the right shoulder over here, we're actually seeing another bullish pattern that we were calling for in yesterday's update. So that's why we were quite bullish yesterday, because all moving averages were held. We lost them here, reclaimed them, confirmed them as support, and then we started this move up. So in the video update from yesterday, we called for a move up from this point. We started to go up. As soon as we got to the neckline of the double bottom, we saw a breakout, but before the 4-hour candle closure, we actually closed beneath all the way back down here. And now this is of course a huge telltale signal that it wants to continue lower. But did we lose the 200 EMA? We actually did during a candle, but did we close beneath? No. Did we lose these wicks over here? No. So equally, although a rejection off of the double bottom neckline is very bearish because we're not validating the bullish path, which means this should not happen. And so if it's not going up, it's going down. There's only two ways it goes. And then when we did have the opportunity to lose this low, we didn't take it. So again, does this really mean that it's bearish? No. Could it be bullish? We don't know. We need to wait until the double bottom neckline breaks or the 200 EMA and this wick is lost. The price being $42,200. If we lose that level of support with 4-hour candle closures and consistently failing to reclaim it, then we continue lower. And then there's of course the next support here, 41.8, then 41.5. And really and truly, we want to stay above 41.5 because that's the left shoulders. That's the support of the left shoulder. And this is what we were running through in today and yesterday in the Discord community about this absolute mess, because we've had every opportunity to go up. We've formed the bullish pattern. Then within that right shoulder, we formed a double bottom over here. We came to the neckline, we broke out, but very soon after the breakout, we came back down and closed underneath. This is very bearish, so we should continue lower now and lose these lows. That was not the case. So the range, we're just stuck in a range. We're going to continue to consolidate, wait for 42.2 to be lost, and then for the bearish scenario, if that is never lost, which again we've had the opportunity to do so, it didn't actually happen. I'm also seeing some alts pumping. So could it be a precursor that Bitcoin will push through, validate the double bottom in turn by meeting the target up at 44.5k? We would have to validate the larger inverse head and shoulders pattern that we spoke of in yesterday's update, taking us back up to $49,000 percentage increase, which would see us moving from today of about 15%, just slightly beneath it. This would of course be the bullish case. And right now, as we failed to break out the bullish double bottom, but also equally didn't take that opportunity to lose the low, we have one more chance of breaking out the bullish double bottom by meeting the target up here. You'd also validate the head and shoulders pattern. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think we will flip 43k back into support, validating the bullish case, or will 43k hold as resistance and make price eventually lose the 200 EMA, lose our 42.2k low, and hunt that 41.5k left shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders pattern? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're about 70 subscribers away from 8k. Once that happens, there's a giveaway on my YouTube, so on my Twitter, so enter that too. There'll be 2 winners, and during this period I've got discounts at the moment on my mentorship. There are a number of slots available that you are able to see, so once they are gone, we return back to the old prices. But take action on the course, the Discord, the ebook, and the mentorship at the moment. Cheers everyone.